Hello mga Karsi, meron naman tayong bagong papaliparin ngayon. Of course, panibagong ano naman to, RC plane. So bali ngayon ay merong dumating na, na 3 channel RC plane. Ito yung Z55. Parang 605mm yung wingspan niya. So Z55, ito yung 3 channel na kawangis or model na MQ-9 Reaper, yung military drone ng US. Predator yon, Predator ng US Army. Yan, US military drone model to. Bagong dating siya mga ka-RC. So i-unbox ko siya, then papakita ko sa inyo yung konting assembly. Siyempre, bago ang lahat ay nais ko muna kayong mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Sa mga baguhan lang sa aking channel ay please subscribe to my channel para makita nyo yung mga susunod na aking video dito sa aking Z55 Predator. Ito yung MQ-9 Reaper, military drone model ng US Army. Anyway, without further ado, ito na yung itsura ng laman niya. So 3 channel, unang-una bumugan yung manual, maganda yung manual. Medyo may ka-social, medyo classy itong package na to kasi English version and then Chinese version ng manual. Very good, very nice. Yan, andyan, detail dyan. Andyan yung konting assemble, and you need a bit of assembly ng to. Of course, ito yung mga extra landing wheels, and then extra propeller, screwdriver, screws. Yan, charger nandyan sa package na yan. Etong dinakot ko na yan. Yan, landing wheels. Then nalaglag yung isa. Dinampot ko, pinulot ko, binalik ko. And boy, walang da please. And then ito yung radio nya, napaka basic, almost toy grade yung 3 channel. Yung left nya stick ay puro throttle lang, and then medyo disappointing yung battery nya kasi AAA. Napaka unusual naman ng battery nya, AAA, di ba? Normally gumagamit tayo ng ng AA batteries. Ito, kailangan mong may may kasamang LED light sa wings niya. Kung optional to, kung gusto mong i-dikit. Ayan, additional especially sa night flying, kung gusto mong paliparin siya ng dilim, additional attraction yan. And then of course yung orientation, but I guess di ko siya kailangan kasi hindi ako nagpapalipad sa gabi. So ito yung aircraft niya, ito yung binubunot ko. Fuselage. So 3 channel siya, yung tail niya, yung V-tail. Maganda to, maganda yung Pero kala ko sa mga kala ko sa sa online shop, kala ko medyo may kalakihan yung fuselage niya. Napaka lang pala. Napakaliit niya. Then 3 channel siya, meron siyang elevator, which is very good. Kasi as far as I know, meron siyang previous model na parang Predator Z51, which was consist of only 2 channel. So parang a bit of upgrade to dun sa Z51. So yun, 2 channel lang yun, throttle and differential thrust. Nakikita ko sa mga video, throttle and then yung differential thrust lang, yung turn, yung yaw. Yan. So eto throttle, then elevator, and of course yung yung differential thrust. Kasi ayan yung wing assembly niya, siya dinikit para magkasya sa box. Then kung mapapansin nyo, yung niya is coreless motor. So siya, may differential thrust para sa left and right turn, or hindi siya yaw actually. Basta for turning, yan, meron siyang differential thrust, coreless motor. And then it requires very simple assembly lang naman. Kasi may mga butas to sa kanyang ano, which is doon mo papasok yung screw to hold the wing assembly in place, maging matibay siya. And then meron siyang wire, and then may socket dyan sa may board niya, and you have to insert of course the plug. Siyang maliit na plug into socket. Yan yung sa differential thrust, and of course sa motor niya, sa throttle. And then yung ano niya nga pala, may servo siya dyan sa may bandang tail niya. Meron din yung wire, kinabit ko na yung wire, sinaksak ko na yung wire. May plug din siya sa loob ng ano, sa board. So naka-install na, if I'm not mistaken. Hindi pa, ayan pa. Nakalawit pa yung wire niya. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, may wire siya. Parang ano siya, 4-pin na ano, na plug. And then kinakabit ko na yung ano, wing assembly dun sa red and white plug siya. Di ka malilito, you won't get confused because you will be well guided, kasi yung ano niya, wire niya is red and white, and then yung socket niya naman is red and white, so very easy to identify. It's not that confusing, and it requires very simple assembly. Even siguro 10-year-old kid kayang i-assemble to. Very easy, very easy. Very easy. It's very suitable for beginners actually. I just purchased this because it's very unique, and ano siya. Actually, this is the military drone Predator. Kaya iba siya dun sa mga RC aircraft model na mga Warbirds, yan, Cessna. And what else? Yung Cub. Yan, Sport Cub. So this is very special design. Specially designed aircraft, because this is not an ordinary aircraft actually. This is a military drone model. Then may details din siya kung mapapansin, parang may yung camera niya, yung parang high resolution camera niya sa may bandang ano niya. Meron din siya. Talagang ginaya, kinapi niya yung ano, yung Predator. Meron siyang parang camera na something sa kanyang ano, nose. Then ayan daw, AAA battery yung ano, yung kailangan sa remote. Then I'm going to test the control surfaces, and then of course the connection. And as usual, normally standard operating procedure, yung remote yung laging first na ito turn on, and then the next is the board or the receiver. That's the normal binding process sa lahat ng almost all drones and RC plane. And the beauty of this is that meron tong ano, may on and off switch siya, which is additional foggy points. And then yan, to bind, you should make sure that the lights are already steady and no longer blinking, because pag nagbi-blink siya, it's like it's looking for its connection So up and down yung throttle stick, then the connection will be established. Mababa na lang kami. Then testing the control surfaces. Then may ano rin siya, may button siya na for dual rate, yung left button, high rate and low rate. Three channel, ganda. Nice. And I'm going to add the landing gears. And easy, very easy. Kahit nga beginner or 10-year-old kid kaya i-assemble. So easy. Ayun yung sinasabi ko na parang high resolution camera niya. Parang ginaya talaga eh. Napakaganda niya eh. Napakaganda na design niya. That's why I decided to purchase it. It's very attractive and it's unique kasi usually ang ano natin is mga RC model aircraft.